Hey guys, Jeremy and Dave here with another episode of Group Therapy. Today we've brought out the Henry Supreme 300 Blackout. This is a lever action, has the AR style mags, iron sights, threaded, so we've got our Yankee Hill Bad Larry can on there. This is in 300 Blackout. We got some subsonic loads, and let's see what it'll do on some steel. Show them what it'll do, Dave. Well, I've learned two things right there. Number one, you don't want old Dave right here shooting at you. And number two, that is a sweet shooting gun. And look at the beautiful wood that's on this. It's got some nice checkering on it. Not only is it a beautiful gun, as you can see, that thing right there is tactical practical. Y'all check them out, Henry Firearms.